Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing great. You know what is the situation right now in the country, and today is the 20th day, specifically today. I was about to start the class. Whatever I have watched since morning, it is totally like my mind is not working properly. So I thought from tomorrow we will start the classes. I will upload the class from tomorrow for December 2026, and whoever wants to practice, you have to watch and share your feedback so that we can continue. I will make You will have to make me feel that the classes are helpful or not helpful. Then accordingly I will change the content level pattern. You have to be very much serious while watching the classes, okay? Then only I will be regular. We need motivation, and you are the reason, you are the source that everything is like we do. So we will start, we will discuss the strategy, and then we will start our classes for December. And unit wise, how you want to practice, whether it's in the form of MCQs, you want to practice a lot of PYQs, you want to go with the important topic, whatever, however, you just have to let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your views, okay? So that accordingly we can continue. And as we all know that June 2026, the results and the provisional answer keys are still undeclared, not released by NTA. There is no notice, there is nothing, any information, any confirmation by the NTA. So just be calm, just let them go, leave them, and let them take their time. And the one who have decided to prepare for December, go for it. You have taken the right decision. And the one who have not, who wants to wait, fine, you can wait, but with very positive mindset. Don't take any stress, okay? So this is the very short information I just wanted to convey to all. And we will start hopefully from tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care of yourself, subscribe the channel, and share to all the literature students. Inshallah we will do. And anything which you have any doubt, you want to share, you want to share your feedback, just stay connected with the channel. There is a Telegram channel, there is a WhatsApp channel. You can just join and be the part of this community where many of have already joined, okay? And the one who are very much serious, you can join the premium group if you want to be regular, because of your busy schedule, you have been associated with any sort of job, so you are not able to be consistent with your practice. So for that you can join the premium group, or you can be the for general informations, for you can be the part of the general group on Telegram, or you can just comment on any videos. If you are watching, I will definitely reply, okay? But also join the membership to watch the live classes. Not only live classes, but I have shared the pamphlet. There are difference between all the level of the memberships. For the PDF you want, any specific topic you want, any whole PDF you want, PYQs you want, so you just join and let me know so that I can share to you, okay? So take care of yourself, and hopefully, we will start from tomorrow. Be positive, take care of yourself, subscribe the channel, and bye bye.